Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up a Calendly account and create your scheduling page to streamline appointment booking, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete registration and configuration. Step 1. Go to the Calendly website at calendly.com and click on Sign Up in the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Choose your preferred sign-up method. You can register using your Google account, Microsoft account, or by entering your email address directly. Step 3. If signing up with email, create a strong password for your account. Follow the password requirements displayed on the screen. Step 4. Enter your name and basic information when prompted. This will be used on your scheduling page and in communications with people booking time with you. Step 5. Choose your account type. Calendly offers a free plan with basic features, or you can select a paid plan for additional functionality. Step 6. Connect your calendar by selecting which calendar service you use, such as Google Calendar, Outlook, or iCloud. This ensures Calendly can check your availability and prevent double bookings. Step 7. Grant Calendly permission to access your calendar when prompted. This is necessary for the system to read your availability and create new events. Step 8. Set your availability preferences by defining your working hours, time zone, and any buffer times between meetings. Step 9. Create your first event type by clicking New Event Type and defining the meeting duration, title, and description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.